Finding all the information about an essential oil in one place was challenging when I started. A detailed oil profile should include uses, benefits, properties, botanical name, standard extraction method, aromatic description, constituents, and safety information. And this is only sometimes easy to find in one place. With this in mind, I started developing my own database. First, it was written in a notebook, and then I started using note-taking apps, until I discovered the Notion app and could turn my notes into a proper visual database. So I've decided to share it with you and named it Scentipedia. Scentipedia features 150 profiles on essential oils, absolutes, and CO2 extracts. Each comprehensive profile encompasses properties, botanical names, extraction methods, aromatic notes, fragrance wheel classifications, descriptions, constituents, and safety details. There's also a link to Amazon to purchase from a brand I recommend if you wish so. It also provides detailed information on 50 carrier oils and 15 vegetable butters. It features a comprehensive list including the name, botanical name, shelf life, therapeutic properties, and descriptive notes for each oil and vegetable butter. The Amazon link is also there if you want to buy from a brand I recommend. Moreover, you'll have access to therapeutic properties and constituents lookups and 75 therapeutic blends for diffusers, inhalers, massage oils, roll-ons, and sprays. You can also access and download the printable olfactory pyramid, fragrance wheel, and quick reference dilution guide. If you want full access to this database so you can edit, add, and tailor it to your specific needs, you can get the Notion template for a small fee. You'd have your own copy of Scentipedia and even use it offline through Notion's free app. You also get 75 more therapeutic blends, totally 150 recipes, and access to fully customizable labels.